Hello, guys, and welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you, and my returning viewers, thank you so much for always and always coming back. And if you are new, this is your first time of seeing me. Hello, my name is Anita Echampong, and I make content based on finance, savings and investments, budgeting and all that, anything related to investments, anything related to finance, self-help and self-good tips. So if this is the kind of content that you would love, kindly subscribe to my channel. Today we are continuing from the previous video of self-limiting uh, thoughts mindsets, the abundance mindset versus the scarcity mindset in terms of wealth creation. Abundance mindset is the kind of mindset that you have that you can afford everything and anything in this life because you have the millionaires or the billionaires mindsets, the rich mentality. You think the way the rich people think. And then with the scarcity, you see that you cannot afford something you really want to desire to have because of probably the background you came from. You were not privileged to have much growing up, and so you see yourself that you cannot really be rich or create wealth, but you can make something out of your life even if you did not come from a very rich background. Most of the self-made millionaires and billionaires we see in this world, they all came from um, poor backgrounds and then they made something out of themselves. But they did it through investing in knowledge, financial education, financial literacy. They consume content that would remove such limiting thought patterns that they had, that because they came from poverty, it does not mean they will have to remain in poverty. They can come from poverty to make something out of their lives. The little they had with financial education and knowledge that they consumed, they were able to make something out of the little to increase it too much. And today they are one of the very famous people in the world. Take for instance Bill Gates. He has this adage that if you are born poor, it is not your fault. We are not privileged to choose the families we are supposed to be born into. But if you die poor, that definitely is your fault. It is the will of God that you do well, you prosper and increase in everything that you do, including your money or your finances. So, in this year, as we have set targets for ourselves, we need to learn about money because most of the times our goals we are not able to achieve them because of money. Most of the goals require money to achieve. So, if you do not have money, most of the times we are not able to achieve our goals. Some of my book recommendations, you can read The Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. You can read The Richest Man in Babylon, and a whole lot. The list goes on and on and on and on. You need to invest in your financial knowledge this year in order to make something out of your for yourself. So in order to save money and then do investments to multiply your money, you need to invest in knowledge. You can download podcasts and audios and listen to them, consume them. You probably might say you don't have time to read a book, but you can listen to download videos, watch videos, listen to audios and then podcasts to be able to, you know, to be able to learn about how to manage your money, how to properly manage your money this year. This is your sole responsibility and your aim. So do not go a day without consuming finance content. You can subscribe to this channel to get finance knowledge. And then other YouTubers who also film about finance. So do not go a day without consuming. You can listen to videos whilst you are driving to work, or even if you are using public transportation. You listen to the videos on your way to work, back from work, even if you are walking across the street. you are taking your bath, whatever, but make it a conscious effort that you are not going to go a day without consuming finance stuff. I know this would help you believe in yourself, that if the self-made millionaires were able to make something out of their lives, even though they came from very poor backgrounds, you can also make it in this life. You can also be rich. It doesn't matter where you are coming from. You are coming from a poor background. It is where you are going. That's where your focus has to be. Your focus, you want to make money this way. You want to be a millionaire this year. That should be your focus. And that is your target that you are working towards. So you need to invest in your knowledge about finances this year. And I know that will help you. Kindly like, subscribe, and share. And let's get interactive in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.